Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Jose, this is your video. What are we doing?
Nigga dropping this piece of shit.
Oh, we're dropping the F-150. Yes, sir.
That's 3.5, nigga.
3.5 drop. Alright, let's go check on our boy Axel. Axel, what you got over here? 2 drops in one day? What we got? We got an F-150, power stroke, super duty.
What?
So what we doing on this one?
Brakes.
Brakes. Nothing special, but it's just brakes. We're focused on this bad boy right here. Hey, no slacking. Why we slacking? Why we slacking, bro?
Shit.
Ready to get this done.
Alright, I'm
Little 3.5 drop. So this is the drive shaft. So here's the plan. This is the plan we're gonna try to do. I remember I tried doing it when I tried lowering my truck, but then my brother dropped the truck on me. This is the plan. We're gonna remove this whole leaf spring because it's easy to come out. There's no problem. That side's the hard part. So we're gonna remove this. Completely come off. It's gonna come off. All right. Take it out. Do what we gotta do. Then we go on this side. The brake pad? Oh yeah. This guy got no brakes. Oh, heard ya. Anyways. So back on this side. This is the plan. This is the hard part on most of these trucks. The bolt on the leaf spring, because the gasing right there, you know, it's long. When it comes out, it's gonna hit the gasing. You can't take it out. I know the belt tick kit comes with an extra bolt because they want you to just cut it off and then you just slide it out. The rough country kit does not come with an extra bolt. So this is our plan. Instead of cutting that, and I guess they don't want to go buy a new bolt. We're gonna remove it from here. We're gonna push the diff towards that way because it's gonna be out of the way. Then we're gonna swing this under. That is the plan. Hopefully everything goes good. We're gonna try not to put too much stress. We're getting like loose. We're gonna lose almost all the cables, wires, hoses, so none of it can like stretch or break or anything. So that is the plan. And hopefully everything goes good. So that's the plan. Alright guys, we're back. Jose, what did we do so far? I'm not updating the vlog, bro. You're useless. Jose, tell us about it.
Nigga, piece of shit, nigga.
We flipped it already, pretty much. Jose did the side to the other side. Now we're cutting things right over there. Alright, update. We got the shocks on. Johnny, what you got doing over there?
Bro, he's about to put the whole truck back together.
Oh, he's putting the whole truck back together? The mechanic special right here?
Yeah, we needed him.
We couldn't do it without him, so we needed him. Everything's golden. Everything's golden. It's about to drop soon. Where we going?
Sheriff Club, nigga. I just got caught 16K.
16K. He just got caught. You gonna see this video?
Shut the fuck up. It's not recording.
Alright, guys. We finished the back. We still got the front. Damn. We're almost done. Jose, how much time we got? What's the percentage?
Then you turn that fucking camera off, nigga.
It's for the vlog, bro.
Turn that camera off. He's like 90% done, nigga.
You got going on right here, son?
Putting the strut back in.
The strut back in, yes, sir. Then what's next?
At 99.9.9%, nigga.
Oh, yeah.
Almost done, nigga.
Then what's next? What's after that?
Putting the spindle back.
Spindle? Okay, what's after the spindle?
So you're gonna need to cut that camera so you can come home, nigga.
I'll help you. One hand. I hold the camera and you put it up.
Alright, nigga.
All right. Let's hold
All that, bitch.
Let's see the finished result.
Here we go. Final reveal, nigga.
Final reveal. Heard you, buddy. You got it. You got it. Almost. A little more. Let's see this. We low, buddy. We got a 3.6 drop right here, buddy. 3.6 drop because we didn't put those on. Sheesh. All right, let's see this. If you look right here, actually, you can see the camber. Yeah, it's not as bad as Clifford. Yeah. Why'd you get out? Let's see. Damn. Test drive.
Oh, shit, look at Johnny's wheels. Oh, there's some.
There, he did with your wheels, Johnny. Johnny, what you gotta say about that?
Hold on, let me catch that on video. Put the windows up though. Put the windows up though. We can't. Can you do one more time?
I need those wheels.
Nah, I got new tires for you.
Nah.
I got new tires.
Nah.
I got it on video. Don't worry about it.
Hey, we do it later.
I got it on video. I got it on video. Don't worry about it.
You got it on video, nigga?
Yeah, I got it on video. I was recording for the vlog.
I'm ready to buy 20s. Huh? I got 20s at the crib. The stock 20s. Use those. No, the tires, nigga. Just buy the wheels. Think of mine. I didn't think about Johnny's wheels.
Hey, that's the demon right there.
Nigga, it tucks not fast.
Yeah, it tucks hella. When he was.
Oh! Hey, you think I can pull a trailer with this?
Nah, you won't.
I was gonna try to bring the OBS back in the bag like this.
You can't because there's 6 inches in the bag, not 5.
Alright, let me go take a shower. Take a shower, nigga.
Heard. Jose, how you feel about the results?
It's all good. We good. You're trying to get in the back so I can get that 10 drop.
That 10-inch drop right there?
Huh?
What are you doing?
What?
What are you gonna do right now?
I'm gonna go check something.
Oh, he's at check something. Heard ya.
What do you say?
I don't know. Anyways.
Me Burnout? Oh, me Burnout? Say that. No, I'm gonna get on the way. I'm gonna get on the street. I wanna get right behind him.
You're gonna get right behind him. He's just gonna do it right there. Don't worry, guys. Mine's at the crib. It don't come out in the rain no more. It's too luxury. There he goes. Johnny, how'd you feel about that? Tell the viewers how'd you feel about what happened to your wheels.
They just paid. I can buy new ones.
I heard you, buddy. Oh, there he is. There he is. He's back. Chicken. There's only one wheel. Only one wheel. I saw it from the shadow. You can see the shadow spinning. It's only one wheel. Oh, nice system. Let's put a clip on. We did a system not that long ago. I'll show you a clip right now. All right, guys, sidetrack. What do we do?
What did we do? Nothing, nigga. Fuck shit up is that all we added a sound system in this bitch.
Sound system in Jose's truck.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Huh?
Let's go all right
Did I
now.
burn it out once? I haven't burned it out, nigga.
So go get those 18.
Oh, the track pack today.
The track pack. This guy. Let's tell him the result. Okay, buddy. out. He's happy now. There's only one wheel though. I smell rubber now. I miss those days.
Hey, let me see what's up. Oh, yeah. Hey, nigga, let's go.
Huh?
Was it both?
No, it's just one.
Hey.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the vlog. We got everything done. Truck's good. I really didn't record much. I didn't record much because I'm not a how to do it YouTuber. I'm not gonna show you guys. I feel like there's way better YouTubers who can show you how to drop a truck. So we just show like the fun stuff, you know, the good stuff, the good parts. And we kind of already showed you how to do it. We did the spindles on my truck, you know, on this one a while back, almost like 2 years ago. And Axel's truck, we showed how we did it with that strut thing, the weird looking thing, kinda. And the same thing with the spindles. The back I didn't really show, but there's a guy on YouTube who I watched to do mine, but I never did it. I didn't do much. I didn't drive my truck. I was going to do it myself, but then my brother dropped the truck on me, so I was like, yeah, no, we're taking somebody. So that's that. But there's a guy on YouTube he was pretty informative. His video was pretty good. I was about to do it by myself. This was years ago. So there's that. So yeah, the truck's good, and his is a 3.6. Like I said, couldn't fit the shackles that it came with fit on the leaf spring for some reason. I don't know why. It just wasn't going on. The bolt wasn't going through at all. We tried, but it didn't. So we're like, all right, 3.6 it is. So 3.6 drop. So we have me on the lowest drop, 5.8. We got Johnny on the 3.5 as well. Then we got Axel on the 3.5. Then we got Jose on 3.6. So yeah, but pretty much is the end of the vlog. And little announcement: the truck, there's a video coming soon. We're getting something done to the truck soon. I'm gonna do it, so stay tuned. It's nothing major, but it's something small that'll make the truck just a little bit better, and it'll be more neat, more nice and neat. But stay tuned for that. I'll get that soon. I already got all the stuff I need, so just wait on it. But other than that, it's the end of the video. See y'all later. Peace.